Hi, it's Jarrod, project lead here with how using the spacebar can help you flip or rotate Revit families mid-placement. These are the items that we can look forward to applying this method to in today's tutorial. So if I type in W for quick placement of walls, you can see I can type in spacebar and it's flipping. So while I'm going with the rest of the chain, I can flip. Next item is doors under loadable families. So this will place a wall quickly, and if I just place a door in there and choose a single so you can see the flip, I can just spacebar, you can see that it flips over. So if I go over to the architecture tab and click on component, choose desk, it will flip or rotate around the placement point. So that would be the center or origin of the family. The next item to illustrate this would be columns. So if I go over to columns at the architecture tab, I can place this and just use a spacebar to rotate. You can also do this with detail components. If I go over to detail components and just choose something like blockwork, for instance, I can do the same thing. The next item I wanted to show, so on the detail components, repeating detail. So you can see here I've got a brickwork section selected. If I had to do that horizontally, you'll be able to see that if I click the spacebar, it flips along its horizontal axis. And the same if I did it in the vertical axis. So the next item is symbols. So I click on that. I can use the spacebar to rotate the north arrow. So the next item is tags. So I'm going to place a wall over here and tag the wall, and flip it over to a wall that I know that has tag associated with it. If you want to tag, just type in TG with your tag. You can see while I'm placing the tag, I can tap the spacebar and it flips to either horizontal or vertical. Do one, do another one. There we go. One of the cool things that I realized that you can do is you can actually flip the families after selection as well using the same method. So you could click on the family, you could just click the spacebar after you selected it. The same thing with the doors. Even with the doors, it's actually a little bit better in this scenario. If you tap on spacebar, it even flips over to the other face of the wall. Kind of cool function after the fact. Other items might be a little bit more tricky where the placement or origin of the family is located. Like the desk, for instance. If I start flipping around the origin and see that that might start to interfere with other geometry. So it might be best if it goes around the center, like this column. Some families, this does not work, so you could see on the repeating detail, I can tap space as much as I like and nothing's happening. But symbols, it's working, and the same with tags. If you like this video, check out some of my other Revit hacks. Remember to like this video and subscribe for more content like this. Happy designing!